Hey gang! Welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Beauty in Bloom! It's the March Sephora Play Box. Oh, it looks so fun. Step into spring with tips and tricks that are perfect for the season's budding beauty. Oh, we're gonna get into all the tips and fun stuff and the products. And as always, oh my gosh, you get 50 little points to spend at Sephora. Okay, let's go. Okay, so Beauty in Bloom, March Sephora. I love this little thing that you fold, that unfolds. Lighten and brighten. We got some tips here for spring skin. Winter brings to mind heavy coats, heavy meals, and heavy foundation. As the temperatures rise, consider switching to lighter coverage that feels more like second skin. Spring, clean your skin. A season full of cold weather can lead to an accumulation of dead skin cells. Give your complexion a fresh start by working a lactic acid or glycolic acid exfoliator into your routine to buff your skin. Say hello to sun. This is all about wearing sunscreen, even though you should wear it year-round. Yes. Master second day hair. Don't let the day two hair woes get you down. That's right. Texturizer, dry shampoo. I live for dry shampoo. Kick up the color, inspired by fresh florals and warming weather. Now's a great time to transition into color. I'm always down for color. Oh, looky, there's a little cat there. They're enjoying a little spring brunch. Yay. Then we flip it over, and you got all the products that are in this awesome bag box. I don't know if it's a box or a bag because it has the box, but then it comes in a little plastic bag. Anyway, Makeup Forever Ultra HD Invisible Cover Foundation. I'm a 20. It's seamless. It's sheer coverage. I like it. It's one of my favorites, especially when everybody started going to shooting in HD. This was one of the first HD foundations. I actually used it on the set of Funny or Die, a photo shoot I did for them, and fell in love with it. It is one of my favorite foundations. Love it. Then we have the Sephora collection mascara, lash craft, big volume. Wiggle the brush into your lashes. Then we have everything under the sun. Supergoop SPF 40 sunscreen. I love Supergoop. It's water and sweat resistant. Yeah, it's broad spectrum. So it is great. I am not sure. Oh, formulated without parabens, synthetic fragrance, or oxybenzone, which a lot of sunscreens have, and you don't need it. Then we have Dr. Jart Cica Pear Tiger Grass Color. I've actually been using this instead of like BB cream, and I just ran out of it. It is so great. Wear it under your foundation, like put on your moisturizer, then put this on, and then put it on your makeup. I love it. It goes on your face, like it'll look green in here. Like look, it'll look like this really puce green color, but then it just goes on, covers redness, blemishes. It just blends as you. Then we have Perk Up Amika dry shampoo. It's one of my favorite dry shampoos. Oh, this box is so awesome. That was one of my favorite. Yeah, here's a little trick. Put your dry shampoo in your hair at night and work it in, and then go to sleep, and then brush it out in the morning. It's a little trick. Then finally, a little bonus, Maison Margiela. It's replica. It's supposed to be the bottled version of a cozy, toasty night in by the fire with warm and sweet gourmand notes. So top note is clove oil. It's also got vanilla. Let's see. Ooh, it is like a little bit of a campfire. You know what it reminds me of? Oh, okay, here's the deal. Oh, look, I'm wearing a Duran Duran shirt. So Duran Duran has these fragrances, and the Hungry Like a Wolf one smells like a freaking campfire, and this kind of smells like that. So here's the deal. If you cannot afford the exchange rate, because the Duran Duran fragrances are only available in England, they'll ship them to you, but it's going to cost you a pretty penny. I guess maybe get this. It smells like it. I know that because I got to try it when I was seeing them in New Orleans. Anyway, those are all the products in Beauty and Bloom, Sephora. Until next time, stay beautiful.